Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the derivative of a tangent. If I said the conclusion, derivative of tangent is a secant squared of x. Okay, in this picture, this is the tangent x, and this is the secant squared of x. Okay. So today we will discuss why the derivative of tan x is secant squared x. This is our main topic. We will use the quotient rule. I hope you remember the quotient rule. Okay. So if you have a tan x, the tan x is the sine of x over cosine of x, right? So if I use the quotient rule directly here, this is the f prime g minus f and g prime over g squared of x. Is correct? Okay, so derivative of sine is cosine, so first part will be cosine squared of x, and derivative of cosine equals negative sine of x. Remember that? So you have a plus sine x times sine x or sine squared of x over cosine squared of x. And we know that cosine squared of x plus sine squared of x is 1. So this is a 1 over okay. So derivative of tan x equals secant squared of x. Now, how can we use this rule to solve some question? Okay, first example. Find the derivative of y equals 2x plus 3 times tan x. Please note that this is the product of two functions, right? So you must remember this product rule. Good. So y prime, if I copy one more time, f prime g plus f and g prime. Okay, so 2x plus 3, you have a 2 tan x plus 2x plus 3, now secant squared of x. Okay, good. Okay, next question. Find the tangent line to y equals tan x at x equals negative pi over 3. So this point, negative pi over 3. Since tan negative pi over 3 will be here, right? Okay, so we have a point. Now it's time to find the slope of the tangent line. To find the slope, we need derivative. So from here, y prime equals secant squared over x. Now to find the slope, you can plug in this value to here, right? So this will be secant negative pi over 3, this whole squared. Since secant is a reciprocal of cosine, this will be 1 over cosine negative pi over 3 squared. Cosine negative pi over 3 is negative 1/2. So, no, excuse me, positive 1/2. So 1 divided by positive 1/2 is 2. So this is 2 squared over 4. Please note that this is our slope, right? So we have a slope and we have a point through which the line pass. So we can use the point slope form. What is the point slope form? Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, right? So y minus y1, so here mx minus negative pi over 3. Okay, this is the equation of this tangent line. Good. Okay, last question. Find the derivative of cotangent. Since cotangent equals cosine over sine over x, we can use the quotient rule one more time. After this, we will make this one as one of formula. One more time, if you have f over g prime, then f prime g minus f g prime over g squared, right? So what is y prime? Derivative of cosine over x, that is a negative sine over x, times g is sine over x, minus cosine over x, and derivative of sine is also cosine over x, over g squared, so sine squared over x. Okay, so numerator negative sine squared over x minus cosine squared over x over sine squared over x. Since negative sine squared over x minus cosine squared over x is a negative 1, right, over sine squared over x, or negative cosecant squared over x, since cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So here, let me briefly summarize one more time. Derivative of 10x will be secant squared over x. And one more, derivative of cotangent x will be negative cosecant squared over x. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.